in your pilot hole.
Yep.
That is our cat, Pickle. This is our cat, Olive. And that's my dad about to drill a hole in our roof.
All right. No turning back.
Yep.
We now have a hole in the roof.
And I don't think the cats are pleased about that. How did that feel?
Not good.
Yeah.
But we'll make it happen.
Yeah, now you just gotta cut a bigger hole. You excited about that?
Yeah, a much bigger hole. This is the Hein Adapter, and I'm using it to mark out my cut line and my drill line for cutting out this piece of metal. We'll link to the Hein Adapter in the description of the video, but this allows the Maxxair Fan to fit flush on the roof. So this is contoured to fit the roof profile of the Ford Transit. And you can get them for other vans as well. And so that's going to serve as our template for cutting the big hole in the roof. So next step is remove this much metal from the roof of the van. I'm going to drill a test hole
In the middle?
in the middle, and I'm going to do a test cut in the middle just to get a feel for it. Pretty easy.
Yeah. It's a hole.
It's a hole. All right, let's get our saw and we'll cut a test line just to see how the saw cuts.
Did it fit?
It's still there.
Sweet. So that black bag is what's catching all the metal files from what he's cutting. And we just don't want the piece of metal to fly down and then break that, and then we'll have metal shards everywhere. One more cut.
All right, we're gonna put a piece of tape across this so that when I make this last cut, the metal doesn't fall down and bang our filing catcher out. All right.
That's cheap tape. Hope it holds.
That held it. Sweet.
Okay, sweet.
All right. Yay! We cut a big hole in the roof.
Yeah. I don't think the van likes you anymore. You've drilled a hole in and now you've cut a big hole.
It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be okay. Alright. I'm saying that more for my own benefit than anything else.
Now it should be easy, right?
Yeah, it should be pretty. This was, I guess, the hardest part. So.
And the loudest.
The loudest part, for sure.
Sandpaper sanding block. So you are using the 2 bolts to locate.
Yeah, that way I can get it where it needs to go. Do not want a bug permanently attached to the top of the van.
Guess what that is? It's a fan!
The moment we've all been waiting for.
Yep. That's the thing that's actually going to go into this hole. No, we didn't just drill a hole in our roof for fun. So tell us what the fan is.
This is a Maxxair Deluxe fan.
Deluxe, what makes it deluxe?
It has 10 speeds. It has a remote control.
That's cool. Oh, it looks beautiful. So are you going to connect it to the Goal Zero, the fan? With the fuse box? Waterproof fuse box?
Yeah, so the fuse box is made for yachts.
Yeah, I saw the Lucy systems.
That stuff works really good for Vanimal stuff too, because it's compact, small, works well.
And it's waterproof.
Well, hopefully we're not submerging the van. Okay, it was not working, and now it's working. Thanks to the power of reading.
I read the directions. Go figure.
Yeah, which we didn't do.
Black is always negative, except when you're dealing with a Maxxair fan, and then black is positive. So the polarity was wrong, but now we have fanage.
We have a fan in the van. That's our Maxxair fan. Whoop whoop. That's are you glad?
I'm stoked.
That's sweet.
Now we get to clean up.
Yeah.
There's a lot of cleaning.
Yeah.